TBK 958L Blue Laser Machine. Your maintenance ideas are good helpers. Let's look at some of its features in the next steps. First, put the product into the one-button autofocus and then take out the phone. Install the corresponding mode according to the product characteristics and put it into the machine. Set corresponding parameters and start according to product size and characteristics. You can select preset joints and download them from the cloud. Independently developed touch control system can be edited freely, simple and convenient. Removing the back cover or stand is one of its features. Then wait for the job to finish. Remove the product and remove the protective casing. Break the glass with a blaster pin. Remove the glass with a spatula. And then I use the brush to clean up the excess, and look, it's very clean. Let's try cutting a piece of wood. The operation steps are basically the same. Enter the pattern or text we want to start. Wood smoke, no matter how big, is not afraid. Built-in activated carbon smoking instrument to protect your health. Take the board out and you can see it's sculpting really well. Feel free to be creative with it. Finally, let's cut a piece of a fish sponge. Measure the cutting size. Set the corresponding parameters and start. Exact size.